The year is 2021. For centuries, humans have gazed at the stars. We have dreamt of exploring other worlds. Now, a new chapter in space exploration is beginning. We're going beyond rovers. We are taking to the skies. On Mars, a small helicopter named Ingenuity is about to make history. Ingenuity represents a bold leap in our quest to understand the universe. It is the first powered, controlled flight on another planet. This tiny helicopter has captured the world's imagination. It has shown us what is possible when we dare to push the boundaries of exploration. Ingenuity's journey began on Earth, tucked beneath the belly of the Perseverance rover. This small, experimental helicopter was a marvel of engineering designed to test the possibilities of flight in the thin Martian atmosphere. The mission was ambitious, aiming to achieve what had never been done before: powered flight on another planet. The stakes were high, and the world watched with bated breath as the mission unfolded. It launched on July 30th, 2020 from Cape Canaveral. The launch was a significant milestone, marking the beginning of a journey that would span millions of miles across the vast expanse of space. The rocket, carrying both Perseverance and Ingenuity, soared into the sky, leaving Earth behind and setting its sights on the red planet. The journey was fraught with challenges, but the team at NASA was prepared for every eventuality. After a 7-month journey, it touched down on the surface of Mars on February 18th, 2021. The landing was a nail-biting event, with the rover having to navigate the treacherous Martian terrain to find a safe spot to land. The successful touchdown was met with cheers and applause from the mission control team, who had worked tirelessly to ensure the mission's success. The landing site was Jezero Crater, an ancient lakebed that scientists believe may hold clues to past life on Mars. This location was chosen for its rich geological history and the potential to uncover signs of ancient microbial life. The crater's diverse terrain provided an ideal testing ground for Ingenuity's flight capabilities, offering both challenges and opportunities for exploration. Ingenuity was a risky endeavor. The thin atmosphere of Mars, which is only about 1% as dense as Earth's, posed a significant challenge for flight. The helicopter had to be incredibly lightweight, yet powerful enough to achieve lift. The team faced numerous technical hurdles, from designing the rotor blades to ensuring the helicopter could withstand the harsh Martian environment. No one knew for sure if a helicopter could fly in the thin Martian atmosphere. Extensive testing was conducted on Earth in specially designed chambers that simulated the conditions on Mars. These tests were crucial in refining the design and ensuring that Ingenuity would be ready for its mission. The team had to innovate and adapt, pushing the boundaries of what was possible. But the team at NASA was determined to try. They were driven by a spirit of exploration and a desire to expand our understanding of the universe. The mission was not just about proving that flight was possible on Mars, it was about paving the way for future aerial exploration of other planets. The success of Ingenuity could open up new possibilities for scientific discovery and exploration. They had designed and built a craft that was both lightweight and powerful. Ingenuity weighed just under 4 pounds, but its twin rotor blades, spinning at high speeds, were capable of generating the necessary lift. The helicopter was equipped with solar panels to recharge its batteries, allowing it to operate independently on the Martian surface. Every component was meticulously crafted to ensure optimal performance. Ingenuity was ready for its moment. The world watched as it prepared for its first flight, a historic event that would mark a new chapter in space exploration. The success of this small helicopter would demonstrate the potential for future missions to explore Mars from the air, providing a new perspective on the red planet and its mysteries. On April 19th, 2021, Ingenuity made history. It lifted off the surface of Mars and hovered in the thin air. The helicopter climbed to an altitude of 10 feet and stayed aloft for 39 seconds. It was a short flight, but it was a monumental achievement. For the first time, a human-made craft had achieved powered, controlled flight on another planet. The world watched in awe as the little helicopter made its historic flight. Data confirmed what everyone hoped. Ingenuity had flown on Mars. It was a testament to human ingenuity and perseverance. Ingenuity's initial mission was planned for just 30 days. It was designed as a technology demonstration to see if powered flight was possible on Mars. But Ingenuity surpassed all expectations. It completed its initial 5 test flights with flying colors. NASA then extended its mission, transitioning it into an operational demonstration phase. Now, Ingenuity would serve as an aerial scout for the Perseverance rover. It would help to identify areas of scientific interest and potential hazards. Ingenuity was no longer just proving that it could fly. It was showing how aerial exploration could revolutionize our understanding of Mars. Over the course of its mission, Ingenuity continued to push the limits of what was thought possible. This small but mighty helicopter, designed primarily as a technology demonstrator, quickly exceeded all expectations. Initially, it was only supposed to perform a handful of test flights to prove that controlled flight was possible in the thin Martian atmosphere. However, it soon became clear that Ingenuity was capable of much more. It flew farther, faster, and higher than originally planned. Each flight brought new data and insights, allowing engineers to refine their models and push the boundaries even further. The helicopter's ability to fly at high speeds and cover significant distances opened up new possibilities for exploration. It navigated challenging terrain, including sand dunes and rocky outcrops. These flights demonstrated Ingenuity's robust design and its ability to handle the harsh and unpredictable Martian environment. The helicopter's advanced navigation systems allowed it to autonomously avoid obstacles and find safe landing spots. By October 5, 2023, Ingenuity had achieved a new altitude record. This milestone was a testament to the helicopter's engineering and the team's dedication. Reaching new heights allowed Ingenuity to capture stunning aerial images of the Martian landscape, providing scientists with valuable information about the planet's surface. It soared to a height of 78.7 feet above the Martian surface. This achievement was not just about breaking records, it was about demonstrating the potential for future aerial exploration on Mars and other planets. The data collected from these high-altitude flights helped scientists understand the Martian atmosphere better. On October 12, 2023, it set a new ground speed record, reaching 14.4 miles per hour. This speed allowed Ingenuity to cover more ground in less time, making it an invaluable tool for scouting and mapping the Martian terrain. The helicopter's ability to travel at such speeds showcased its advanced propulsion and control systems. In total, Ingenuity completed an incredible 72 flights covering a distance of over 10 miles. Each flight provided new opportunities for discovery and learning. The helicopter's endurance and reliability were proven time and again, making it a key asset in the ongoing exploration of Mars. These achievements demonstrated the potential for using aerial vehicles to explore other planets. Ingenuity's success has paved the way for future missions that will rely on similar technology to explore even more challenging and distant worlds. The lessons learned from Ingenuity's flights will inform the design and operation of the next generation of planetary explorers. Section 6. Ingenuity's design for success. Ingenuity's success was due in part to its innovative design. The Mars helicopter, known as Ingenuity, was a marvel of modern engineering. It was designed to be a technology demonstrator, proving that powered flight is possible in the thin Martian atmosphere. The team behind Ingenuity had to overcome numerous challenges to make this vision a reality. With a rotor span of 4 feet, it was small and lightweight, weighing only 4 pounds on Earth and 1.5 pounds on Mars. This compact design was essential for the helicopter to be able to generate enough lift in the thin Martian air. The rotors had to spin at incredibly high speeds, around 2,400 revolutions per minute, to achieve this. This lightweight design was crucial for flying in the thin Martian atmosphere, which is 100 times thinner than Earth's. The thin atmosphere posed a significant challenge as it required the helicopter to be extremely efficient in its energy use and aerodynamic design. The team conducted extensive testing on Earth to simulate the Martian conditions and ensure Ingenuity could handle the unique environment. To power its flights, Ingenuity relied on solar panels to charge its lithium-ion batteries. These solar panels were designed to be highly efficient, capturing as much sunlight as possible to keep the helicopter's systems running. The energy stored in the batteries was crucial for powering the rotors, onboard computer and navigation systems during each flight. Its onboard computer and navigation systems allowed it to fly autonomously, making real-time adjustments to its flight path. This autonomy was vital as the communication delay between Earth and Mars meant that real-time remote control was impossible. Ingenuity had to be able to make its own decisions during flight, using its sensors and algorithms to navigate the Martian landscape safely. This combination of lightweight design, autonomous flight, and robust power systems were key to Ingenuity's success. Each component played a critical role in ensuring that the helicopter could perform its mission. Ingenuity's successful flights have opened up new possibilities for aerial exploration on Mars, paving the way for future missions that could use similar technology to explore areas that rovers cannot reach. Section 7. The eyes in the Martian sky. Ingenuity's ability to fly gave it a unique perspective on Mars. It captured breathtaking images of the Martian landscape, including craters, canyons, and sand dunes. These images provided scientists with valuable data about the geology and history of Mars. More than just pretty pictures, these aerial views helped the Perseverance rover team plan their exploration routes more efficiently. They could avoid hazards and prioritize areas of scientific interest. Ingenuity proved that aerial reconnaissance was an invaluable tool for exploring other planets. Section 8. A legacy of innovation. On January 18, 2024, Ingenuity took its final flight. Damage to a rotor blade brought an end to its remarkable journey. The little helicopter that could had pushed the boundaries of what we thought was possible. It had made history and inspired the world. Ingenuity's legacy extends far beyond its 72 flights. It has paved the way for future missions to Mars and other celestial bodies. We now know that aerial exploration is not just a dream, but a reality. This opens up a whole new realm of possibilities for studying the planets. Section 9. The future of aerial exploration. Thanks to Ingenuity, we can now envision a future where fleets of aerial vehicles explore the skies of Mars. These robotic explorers could map the planet in detail, study its atmosphere and climate, and search for signs of past or present life. The lessons learned from Ingenuity are already being applied to the development of new aerial vehicles for future missions. These include larger helicopters capable of carrying more scientific instruments and even drones that could explore the deep canyons and caves of Mars. Ingenuity has shown us the way, and the future of space exploration is looking up.